up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we are doing a windshield banner on the Audi A4. Let's get right into the tools. Alright guys, so for this install you need some stuff. You need a window cleaner, you need some paper, you of course need the wrap and a knife. Also you need the decal you want to put on the windshield banner. And I actually got this decal from the boys over at the Jordlagret. These guys are really good. They have some lights for your car, they do decals and all sort of stuff. So go ahead and check out their website in the link down below. And if you like this type of content, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is clean the windshield. And we are going to do that with the windshield cleaner and a piece of paper. And now that the area is clean, we are moving on to the wrap. And now to the most important part. You have to cut this to the right size. Just go ahead and lay your wrap just like this. It's easier when you're two persons doing this, but unfortunately I'm just one. And you see, I'm leaving a little bit extra and then I will just cut it to size afterwards. And now just cut the wrap and leave some excess wrap so you can be sure that you won't have too little. The wrap is cut and now we are just going to heat it up to make the wrap curve like the windshield. And now that the wrap is heated, we can go ahead and apply the wrap. Also, when applying the wrap, it is good to have a squeegee so you can squeegee the bubbles out. Alright, now that you have your wrap applied, go ahead and cut all the excess. Alright, so now that the wrap is applied, we can go ahead and put the decal on.
I just wanna rewind, I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hey,
so yeah, that is how you make a windshield banner at home. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
But lately you've been acting like you hate me.